day 2 in Dominican. So very, very humid. This is the view from our balcony. We're just ready to go for breakfast now. Palm trees everywhere. So lovely. It's like a massive complex. So yeah, we're gonna go breakfast and just chill by the pool. How beautiful. So picturesque. Alice putting the sun cream on. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, so what we've just done, right, we've sat in the pool bar and I just think, oh, it's very, very nicely, isn't it? And now we're going to go have a walk. The beach is literally just there, so we're just going to go on a walk to the beach. Look at that beach. Wow. He is hiding away in the shades, Kerich sunbathing, Ellich sun creaming, and me is dying as a ginger in the heat. Feel a bit burnt.
I'm very, very burnt. Well, I'm not yet, but I will be.
It's about 6:30. We've had our little siesta. Rihanna's burnt. Look at this. Wowzers. We're going out for food, only for an hour, then get changed, and then we're gonna go pool party. Yeah, it's all going on there. We wore in the same first outfit we wore on Portugal. I'm a bit sunburned on the side of my face and my shoulders and my neck. Nowhere else. Because I've been good with the sun cream.
I've also been putting sun cream on, but I've just burnt, which I get why my back's burnt because I haven't put it on that much. But my front, I have actually been putting sun cream on and I'm still burnt.
Okay. Show them gym muscles, show them.
They've disappeared.
Kerich, come. So we're just having some drinks. I've got frozen margarita no salt. You've got a Smirnoff. I was going to answer it, but vodka coke, another vodka coke, and a vodka lemonade. Sprite, but not. Shut up. Shut up. What else do you say?
We're going to the Riu party in a minute.
And it's neat.
Don't worry, because James will ring his GoPro.
Not like the water park where we're going to be on.
And it's neon night tonight, so I'm wearing a pink bikini.
I'm wearing a pink bikini.
Ree's wearing a pink one. And these two are wearing, what are you wearing, bright green?
No, I'm wearing green.
No, I'm wearing green.
No, I'm wearing green.
What are you wearing green for? What are you bright neon?
I don't know. I'm just wearing shorts and a t-shirt.
Why are you wearing a t-shirt in the pool?
Why don't you wear your bright shorts and give him your bright?
Tomorrow.
Yep, so we go to the beach. He lost his sunglasses.
I lost.
Kerry fell over multiple times. Didn't you? You lost your scrunchie, and then to top it off, he's gone and got himself killed.
The guy done the most Dominican thing. Pulled out a bottle of whiskey on the tissue, slapped it off.
And how did you do that? Let's explain it.
So I thought it was like a surfer riding the waves on your belly, and then I just got swatted.
What are we doing tonight? It's now night time. Oh my god, I look like Rudolph.
So do I. My nose is all burnt as well.
Anyway, so the plan of action tonight, we're going to get... Rihanna looks absolutely lovely. I'm just rocking this. We're going to go get food with Kerich and Ellich, then go casino.
We're not going to casino. We're going to go to the beach and get some snacks.
Yeah, we're going to do that. But the main important part of the night is the casino. And I'm going to win a shit ton of money.
He's not.
Bet the casino's like, why? Because it won't be like a dead good casino in a hotel.
It'll probably be an arcade.
Yeah.
Called a
I
casino.
feel like I'm going to be disappointed in. We're all here. I'm fat. Show him you.
You know, we've seen this like. I'll show you over there.
Oh, we tried to get in the steak place, but we couldn't because we didn't make a reservation. So now we're going for the Mexican.
Backups on backups. It's very dark.
But I feel like it's very dark, but you can still see.
Oh, that's all that is.
Another day, another beautiful morning. Last night we went to the casino.
It was a disgrace.
We lost $60.
No,
but
120 altogether.
I lost 60, Ellis lost 60 within about 10 minutes. That was depressing. But anyway, today we're going swimming with dolphins.
And sharks and stingrays.
I've got blisters all over my feet.
Anyway, guys, so today we're going to swim with dolphins, baby sharks and stingrays. And then we get to have a boat party.
Party!
And oh, and is it a natural pool as well? We get to swim in. There you go.
And then there is Getaway and Ellis. And there's a little Kia. Meow. So I'm all sun creamed up, but I've been swimming in my top because I'm that burnt on my things. But anyway, we've had breakfast, we've got Ellis's new sunglasses, and then in about 50 minutes we're going to go swim with the dolphins. But weather, absolutely beautiful. The sun's just behind that one cloud, but the forecast says it's meant to rain for the next week. But whether it happens or not, we shall see. Now going to the boat.
Where does everyone? There they are. Hello, welcome to the vlog. Much better today.
And so's Ree. Ree's happier today.
We're going to see the dolphins and the sharks.
That's why she's happy.
Get it, Joe, are we?
Fabulous.
Excellent. You excited for the dolphins?
Yeah.
Let's see your wound.
It's actually not bad now.
Oh, yeah.
It's better.
It's not awful.
I hope the dolphin don't give it a lick.
That was funny. That was funny getting on. Look at it. She got absolutely soaked.
Can you put that in your bag so it's safe?
Yes. It works. Yeah.
I thought they might have been able to smell it, mate.
We're back from the dolphin tour.
As well.
Dolphin trip, good.
Good?
Good.
Good.
Yeah, very good because I'm pissed.
We saw a sea lion as well.
Big fatty.
It was so
But
You like Jimmy?
you know what? My hair looks alright.
Yeah, my hair looks
You look
alright
like
too.
that vampire from
Well, I had a bit of a stress moment.
Yeah, because he got scammed. I
got
told him
scammed.
10 times about the monkey man, and he still got scammed by him.
Rihanna's wearing my top, by the way. She's not a boy.
I got sunburn on my shoulders again.
I'm
yeah.
not.
But yeah, so you get off, you jump in the ocean, you swim over, and there's like these people with monkeys on, and I was like, no, I have no money because I've swam there, I have no phone, I have no thing, yo. And he was like, yes, it's fine. And then he puts a monkey on me, Paddock. Rihanna comes over, monkey and Paddock on Rihanna, tries to charge me $130. I was like, whoa, $30. He was like, yes, $30. And I don't know why I said that. Kenny got it for $10.
So, he came up to me and he put the monkey on my shoulder and he got loads of pictures and they were really cute, but then he was like, yeah, 50, and I was like, absolutely not, I've got 10, take it or leave it, and he was like, okay.
And the photos he took are awful because they were on my GoPro, because that's what I swam over with, my GoPro. You know what, the footage are probably, just footage.
Not be button.
Ellis, me towel?
Oh, it's alright, we'll get your towel in a minute. I told Jimmy multiple times about this scam. Did he listen? No. He swam straight over to the platform, got the monkey on his shoulder and got absolutely robbed. I told him multiple times about the scam because the couple who went on it last time, who we met here, told us all about it. I told Jimmy about it and no, he didn't listen. He went straight over to it and got scammed.
Can you get me towel?
I'll get you towel. But so then I go back to the boat with me Amex card now, and then I was thinking it's Amex, you know. But then not all cards you just take Amex, so I tapped my card and he's like, it's not working. I went, try again. And I'm like, thank God this card machine doesn't take Amex. And he was like, have you got dollars? You got this? You got other cards? I was like, no. I have about 5 other cards on my wallet, but
Jimmy
like,
got
no.
back in the pool with his card, which is unbelievable.
Yeah. So that was all my fault. But we're gonna go for a little stroll on the beach because it looks amazing, and then yeah. How beautiful is that? So beautiful.
We're vlogging.
He looks like a boy. Go on. Shoot. Fucking hell.
Oh, we're all getting our steaks in the steakhouse. I got my medium well.
Ho ho ho.
Merry Christmas.
Ready? How are you feeling, Gerrit?
I'm tired.
Bless her. There's boo no party. Because it's raining and because of Diana.
Raining. What?
Domestic in our four. Gerrit and Gerrit boo. How are we, Ree? Yeah. So what we've done today, we come to this other hotel which is right next to Riu Bambu. It's a bit overcast today, been raining this morning, but yeah, tonight we're gonna go woo party.
Ree is pissed.
Oh, there's your face.
And we're going to Riu Party, white one.
Hello, Ree. Ree stole my top. And I've lost my sunglasses again. And Kerich has been Kerich, and Elich is all the way over there. Today's our last full day. We were out till about what, 4 AM last night. They didn't go to sleep. These 3. I did. But yeah, sad times ahead.
So we got the drinks in. I might not be able to hear you, speak with that. The drinks are in. Jimmy's pissed. I'm pissed. And to be honest, it's more of a Dolphin guy. He's not a fan of it, to be honest. He's not a fan of it either. No. He might have to watch his voice. Jimmy, catch. Got a cool video.
Tonight is our last full night. The room is a mess. That'll be Ree. Ree's right there, but she's getting dressed. Watching SpongeBob. Why not? So yeah, last night we're going to the steakhouse again. I've not really picked up the camera much, to be honest, and it's not really been enjoyable. But today we've just swam, sunbathed. Rihanna fell asleep because she was very hungover from last night. And yeah, then we go home tomorrow, and then I'm on a night shift straight away. So, boo, no party. It's fucking raining. It's raining in the Dominican Republic. It's not on.
What's going on here?
These are having a domestic, but anyway, it's Kerich Camp. It's our last night and we're back in the steakhouse.
I was sleeping.
That's staying in. I got that. Oh, the food's here, wait.
to order half a chicken.
In my defence, I didn't know it was half chicken.
It says
fucking.
on the thing. It says half a chicken. Tongue. Look, it keeps spiking its tongue.
Tongue.
It's on.
Why don't you say tongue?
Is it recorded?
That's what
Oh. So,
Tongue.
I'm very upset with that.
When isn't she?
It was disgusting, don't even lie.
What?
I had like
Mine
a
was
few.
very nice.
What are you?
What?
It's up to you.
Officer with me?
Right, let's start this again. I did not enjoy that chicken. It was too chickeny in my mouth.
And too bony.
It was too bony
And too much.
and too much. I didn't realise it was a half
They
chicken.
literally, it wasn't even half a chicken. They just put whole chicken.
A whole chicken on my plate. And
You're
everyone-
shit at vlogging, you.
So, hello, yeah, so basically, my name's Jeff, and I love vlogging, and basically we're on the beach, and I shit chicken.
So much for Nelly.
Hey.
I liked my steak. Or did get off me leg. Sorry. Right. Take two. Kerich, come back. Kerich, come. It's Kerich, come time. Come on. Right, food review. Shite, I'm not coming back.
It was bony
Ooh,
and it tasted chickeny, like too chickeny. You know when you eat chicken and it starts tasting like chicken. And they didn't bring me mayonnaise for like
And it was half chicken.
3 hours.
Which
yeah.
is said on the menu, but she ordered anyway.
Yeah, but I didn't realise it was half a chicken.
Steak was a lot better than last time. Huge steak. Huge.
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 That's on the stump, that Rick.
My steak was also very nice.
But the chips
and
were not
huge.
nice.
Huge.
Huge.
Well, it's alright for some.
Yeah, me and
Me and
Kerry got robbed basically. I got the barbecue ribs, which they serve in the buffet, and the shite, and just the food overall. It's
Bear in mind, you have to queue up at 5 o'clock in a big long line just to get a reservation, and it's shit. Oh yeah, half full.
yeah, that's it though.
And now what we doing for them tonight?
No, we're partying. No, we done that last night.
So I'm so tired.
Are we not with partying?
But me and Granny's, and we're going home to watch SpongeBob.
Oh
And go
yeah.
to bed.
Oh,
Sorry, but that sounds so wrong. Just with.
No.
Home time today. Boo.
Rihanna got drowned in the pool. She said she wasn't getting her hair wet, but she got absolutely dunked. But now, so checkout's at 12, but we're going to put our cases in Ellich's and Kerrich's room. And then Rihanna's going to get a shot and then we go on. Not amazing, not impressed.
run!
Last day.
Boo!
Last day, so we're going in the sea. We're just going to run. We're not going to do this again. Oh, then it's in again. It's not blue.
Right. Ready?
Like sand.
3,
What are we doing?
running in. Don't give me sunglasses. Don't lose them again. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
I'm going to hit, and it's not being wet here all day.
I'll do part.
Oh, it's not a job. No, it's shit, mate. Come on, back to the pool. Final hour. And Jimmy's run off. I don't know where he's gone. But he's gone.
Oh, time to go.
Boo. Goodbye, Roo. See you next time. See you next time in this hotel.